Hi, today we're going to read a piece of text called The Trip to the UK. I'm going to model tracking. That's using my finger or a pointer to go to each word as I read it. The trip to the UK. Nat went to the UK, and I felt sad. But then Mom set up a trip to the UK. Mom and I went on a jet. Ships are fun, but jets are the best. I got to sit next to the wing. I had lunch. Then I had a nap. Mom got this snapshot of the nap. There's the snapshot. Nat met us at the end of the ramp. I ran up to hug him. Then Nat's mom, Dot, got us a cab. This is a snapshot of us with the cab man. Nat and I had a lot of fun. Then it was time for bed. Mom and I slept in a bed next to Nat's bed. We have now read about two different characters in our book. Who are the characters that we just read about? That's right, we read about Beth and Nat. They were friends from camp. Stories usually have a title. A story's title tells what the story is about. Today's story was The Trip to the UK. You can see the title. It's usually on the cover page. Beth is going to take a trip to the UK. What does UK stand for? So over here, we're in the United States. And remember, she takes that jet all the way to the UK. The UK is another country. Like we live in the United States of America, or USA. Nat lived or moved to the UK, and that's the United Kingdom. That's a different country. You have to cross the ocean. There were also some words that she used that you might not be familiar with. One was a cab. She took a cab when she got to the UK. She went to the UK on a jet. And she had to walk down a ramp. Here's the ramp. Who do you think in the story was going on a trip to the UK? Who was just going to go on a trip there? That's right. Beth was going on a trip to the UK. Why do you think she was going on her trip?